Welcome to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I wanted to show you guys something that is new to the channel. Something that I actually got like a couple months ago, but I just haven't had the time with, you know, holidays and New Year's and everything like that going on. But in the weather, because it's been really crappy lately. But this is actually a decent weekend, decent day. It's not too cold. And I wanted to introduce to the Trick Shift Garage our new vehicle. Bob, what are you doing?
I was looking at the old vehicle.
Come on, man. Come on, we got something to do. All right. Well, don't pull on that side because the antenna. Don't tear my antenna off. Pull, pull from that side. Gently.
Ready?
Yes. Oh. Yeah. This is a car cover from, well, it's not designed for this vehicle, but oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, probably already know what it is. Hey. Hurry, Bob. This is not how we planned this. This is not how we planned this at all. There we go. It is a 2015 Chevy Silverado. And this is the crew cab. Crew cab with the standard box. I think it's like 5 feet 8 inches or something like that. 5 3/4 feet. It's got a V8. It's got the LT engine series. It's got a L83 5.3 liter, all aluminum block, aluminum heads. It's basically going to be my new daily. And here's the wheels. Nice wheels, got plenty of tread life. I'll show you around back here. They already came with this bed cover. Right here, pop it open here. Yeah, I got my junk in here for the channel. But so this thing pops up here and it kind of rolls back like this. I like it. All right. So I think it's like a 5 foot 8 inch bed. It's pretty standard stuff. I didn't want to get the long bed because I already got a crew cab, having family and all. So it's 4-wheel drive. It goes. Oh, you gotta pop the hood on it, Bob. Jeez.
Pop the hood.
Yeah. I'll pop the hood here. If I can find it, there it is. Pop that baby up. All right, here we go.
No strut bar. That's cool.
Now it's got the old style springs there, but it works. It still works. So here we go. Here's the 5.3 liter. This is the L83 unit. It makes like 355 horsepower. I think it's like 385 pound-feet of torque. It's already got a K&N filter. This came from the dealer I bought it from. And basically, this is the filter here. As you can see, it's pretty rough. It's pretty dirty, actually. That'll be one of the first things I actually do on it, with here on the channel. It has actually a spare spot for a battery, but you can see all this gap here. That's a small block life, Bob.
Yeah.
How you feel
Us
about
Ford
that?
guys haven't seen that since 1995.
No, but you got a good engine in yours too, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little video on our new vehicle for the channel. We're excited about it. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be turned into anything crazy right now, because like I said, this is gonna be my daily driver, so it's not gonna be heavily modified, even though as much as I would love to like slap a supercharger or a turbocharger on this, it ain't happening yet.
Take it on autocross?
No, not yet.
I think you can handle pretty well.
Yeah, well, you know, actually, that does bring up a good point, because now that the Silverado is here, and I'm going to be daily driving this, that leads this car open to do whatever I want with it. So this car is now officially freed from the daily driver duties. I'm still planning on keeping it, still planning on fixing it up. I'm actually thinking about doing some pretty crazy projects with it. You guys could let me know in the comments what you think I should do with it, because I know there's a lot of you out there that might want to see something fun with it. Now that I don't really need it anymore, it's just kind of sitting here getting crap all over it. But I think that's it. That's pretty much all I wanted to say as far as this video is concerned, just give you guys a heads up on, you know, what's going on with the channel. Bob's pretty interested. He's still learning about this truck too. So we think.
Looking for your thermostat.
The thermostat?
Is that in here? This is your water pump, right?
Correct.
Is that your thermostat connected right to it?
It could be. Oh, I bet you it's in here. This thing. I bet you gotta lift it up. I bet it's like parked right in there.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Just my guess, but yeah. So, like I said, I'm probably gonna keep this stock as is. I mean, I know it's got the cold air intake already on there, but that's fine, whatever. And I'm gonna be doing some maintenance videos with this vehicle. Later on, I might do some slight bolt-ons, but as of right now, I just want to keep it, you know, keep it stock for the most part. Keep it reliable. Yeah, it's going to be my daily driver. So, but this one's now free, like I said. So, what do you think we should do, Bob?
For the love of God, no coilovers.
No coilovers.
Even though we'll probably have to do coilovers if you want to take it on the track.
He had a bad experience. Let's put it that way, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm thinking about maybe taking it autocrossing. Maybe, I mean, I know it's not gonna do anything spectacular as, you know, as is. It's just a little Altima 2.5 liter.
Well, for now.
Well, for
so
now.
you get that turbo.
Oh yeah, that could be an option too.
That's
no supercharger. I don't even think they make superchargers for these, to be honest with you.
Not.
But watch, I probably end up being wrong. There's probably like, oh, they made it for like, you know, this 2-year period. There was actually a supercharger out for it. Oh, okay, but probably if I do that route, it's probably gonna be like a turbocharged route. Yeah, like I'm planning on just having fun with the car. I mean, I know it's not gonna be no world beater or anything like that, but you know, be a nice little sleeper car anyway. So let me know what you guys think in the comments on what we should do with this thing. Should we take it to the next level? Should we just sell it? I'm not selling it. I'm not gonna sell it. Yeah. I'm gonna take it to the next level somehow, some way. So
let's make it go 9s and a quarter.
9s on a quarter.
That means pretty much removing every body panel, all the seats besides the driver's seat.
You mean like a quarter block? You mean like a quarter block, or you mean a quarter mile?
Quarter mile.
Yeah.
You gotta remove everything.
See how this Bob? So I love Bob. He's just crazy like that.
eBay turbo, and you remove all the weight, or pretty much all the weight in the car. You might be able to do 9s.
No, I ain't gonna do 9s. I might get out of the teens.
We're talking about no doors.
No door.
No HUD, no bumpers.
Weight reduction.
Really lightweight wheels.
Totally just like skin the car out.
Exhaust off, that just adds weight.
Yeah.
Dude, I think you can do it. I think you can run 9s.
Yeah, okay.
I just want to destroy the car. I want to take it apart.
No, you're not taking it apart. All right, but I mean, I think that's it. What you got? Anything else you want to say?
I'm just glad you got a truck, man. It's nice.
We need to get your truck back on the channel. Your old girl. The LBS.
Yeah, no, I gotta do this brake lines.
Oh, you got brake lines.
That's gonna be a pain.
Well, I'm sure there's like some people that would be interested in like knowing what's going on.
Yeah, well, that's coming in the spring when it gets a little bit warmer. It's a little too cold to be doing that right now.
Yeah, Bob doesn't really like the cold weather. He's very adverse. Even like right now, it's like, what is it, like 35, 40?
Feels like it's 10.
Bob doesn't do very good in cold, let's put it that way. But
it makes me angry.
Yeah. But anyway, that's it for this video. You know, like I said, leave a comment below what you think that we should do with this old girl. Should we, you know, just fix it, keep it stock? Should we modify it? How should we modify it? How much should we modify it? I mean, turbo, maybe a manual. I mean, because this is like a CVT transmission. If we put
a good video,
but
manual swap.
If we put a turbo in it, it's probably gonna blow the transmission like within a week.
That CVT's gonna die.
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's got what, 200,000 miles on it, so it's just a matter of time for it. Just let's go and like gives up the ghost.
Yeah.
But anyway,
the CVTs can barely handle the V6s. They're not gonna be able to handle the turbo.
Yeah. What he says is not wrong. But anyway, leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage content, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.